Hey to all of my alluring empresses and emperors out there. In this video, I will be demonstrating how I am able to achieve the Bantu knot look. So with her hair, I decided to go with the diamond shaped parts because her nape area is very small and the way her hair flows, the diamond shape is perfect. You basically want to take a rubber band, twist her hair like how I'm doing it, and you don't want to twist it too tight because the rubber band is already there and you do not want to manipulate that area too much. How you'll seal it is by putting another rubber band on top of it, so that way it doesn't come apart. And you just continuously just do this throughout her whole hair. So with this section, I decided to do a freestyle part because the way her hair flow, like the way I mentioned before, it just flowed like this, and I wanted 5 Bantu knots in the front, so that way it can all look symmetrical in a way, and it turned out to be perfect. As I mentioned earlier, when you're placing the rubber band, you do not need to make it tight because once you're actually twisting the hair to make the knot, it'll get tighter and you do not want her hair to be pulling and manipulating that area. Is just gonna cause breakage, and we do not want that at all.